Happy weekend, walkers, hikers, runners, bikers, surfers, and skateboarders.
Ooh. Rockers and ragers.
Metalheads. If we're going to put the metal show in here, it has to be Slayer. Slayer! I'm waiting for Christy to get home so we can hit the road. Yeah! It's time to go!
Woohoo!
We're here at Bear Creek Nature Trail in Winter Springs near Orlando, Florida. We Googled it up and Google said it was recommended.
We have 2 hours to kill in Orlando and decided to get into what we really enjoy, some nature. Let's go check it out.
That.
Ooh.
Check this out.
Super calm and peaceful.
So this is pretty cool because as soon as you walk into the path, you get a cool little railway and a nice little like river pond type thing. There's like a river back there. At this point we got to decide if we want to go left or if we want to go right. Both look pretty sweet. Pro tip, avoid poison ivy.
Extra pro tip, this is not poison ivy. This 5-leaf is Virginia creeper. But this 3-leaf right here is poison ivy. Poison ivy, not poison ivy. Poison ivy, not poison ivy.
Okay, so basically, not poison ivy.
Uh-huh.
Poison ivy.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Good to know, good to know. We do not want poison ivy. I don't want it. Do you want it? We don't want it.
Poison ivy. That's shady, but this looks kind of cool.
Another fork in the road. I think we're going left. We're gonna go with the getting closer to the water thing, I think. Let's do it. These cypress stumps?
Called knees.
Cypress knees?
Cypress knees.
Look at the knees. A little boggy and muddy. Oh shit. Stabilize myself here and hold the camera. Boom. Nailed it.
Nailed it. Too bad I'm not the cool type that would walk across the line.
You gotta be extra cool for that.
Yeah.
So there is some type of, the water is moving because we come over here and it's actually flowing. We got a spot with a really cool fallen over tree, roots sticking out and everything. All like gnarly. What would you say caused the falling over?
Wind.
I would think the water gets in the roots and it loosens it up and then falls. Sure. I don't know. Sure. Pretty cool park so far.
This is some morning glory. They're neat because the petal is all one piece, but as you can see, they're very invasive. It has taken over this elm tree. And they get naturalized from yards like the neighborhoods around here.
So the path we've chosen kind of meanders along the little river. We've already reached the end. I guess we're just gonna have to explore some of the other trail options, some of the other paths we haven't taken.
I think these are buds, and that each one of these stems opens up into a filament kind of bloom, like a brush, like a blush brush.
Exploring the area. Walking about, mate. Walkabouts. Walking about the forest, the woods. Haven't seen any crocs yet, but we're gonna dive on one if we see it.
Are you?
No, I'm not diving on any crocodiles with their cold, dead eyes. They're weird. We came back in the entrance and we're gonna try, instead of going the path we went before, to the right, we're going to go to the left and see where that takes us. See how far we can go on that one. We actually got to the end of the path.
There's the end.
Yeah, I guess you've seen all that with us. Our next stop is the Orlando Oddities Market. We're gonna see some weird stuff in formaldehyde jars and weird bones and taxidermy things. A fitting end to a trip where we came up to see Slayer. Okay, nice. So sometimes like some of the parts you can just salvage from the...
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much, if it's in decent condition, I'll take it home, see what I can do,
Yeah.
or give the rest back to nature.
Nice. I don't know how you keep like all those little bones intact.
Dude, that's
it must
all
be pretty
her.
fragile, huh?
Yeah, well, I mean,
She's ADHD, right?
yeah, here.
What do you use to
Wow.
keep the bones together?
I use Durabond. It's a special type of glue. We use it on, our lab actually works with dinosaur bones. And a paleontologist, we use it for dinosaur bones.
Wow.
Oh, rivets. I thought you said like vets, like you got them.
No, vervet.
Vets off.
Yeah, that word, like my brain just,
Type of monkey.
my brain totally
Okay.
rejected it.
Yeah.
Like, no, we're not accepting that word. We don't know it. SSDGM stuff.
No.
Oh, oops, sorry.
I'm surprised they